Hello, my name is McKay Anderson. I am one half of the team that created Snack Time. It's from Backfire Game Studio, and this is an earlier prototype, but it's what I have on hand. So we wanted to give a shout out to Hero Time Manufacturing. This was our first game, and although me and my partner come from a pretty extensive line of game design and manufacturing from previous positions and jobs, we were a little bit lost to some of the things. I mean, importing customs, VAT, all of those kinds of things, as well as fulfillment for Kickstarter campaigns. A lot of those things were really new to us, as well as since it was our first game being published. It took a little bit to get our fan base and our whole system rolling. So MOQ is a thing that was important to us as well. It was a combination of these things that led us to Hero Time Manufacturing. Herschel was amazing. It did so much for us. Probably the thing that was the most valuable was his creative thinking on how to make this a better product. He was very willing to listen to our budget constraints, our launch strategy, and all of that, and provide useful, helpful feedback and creative solutions to some of the things that we hadn't thought of before. Like I said, minimum order quantity was great. He was willing to, I mean, obviously it's cheaper if you order more, but he was willing to get low enough for us that we're able to proceed confidently. And then as far as samples, stretch goals for Kickstarter, things that we could do to make the game better, he was so willing to bend over backward to look for creative solutions for us. We well exceeded the need for that minimum order quantity. I think we, quadrupled. No, whatever 6 times that is. It went really well, and I think a lot of that is credit to Hero Time Manufacturing and the great partners that they were, and that's honestly how they felt. They felt like they were a part of the team, looking for ways to make success. It did not feel at all like we were just another client to get out the door and move on to the next money grab. We consider Hero Time Manufacturing a key part of our team here and moving forward. So if you're just starting out or if you're seasoned, give Hero Time Manufacturing a chance. We've had so many people reference how high quality the game feels, from the box to the components. When people pull out the dice, their immediate response is, wow, these are awesome. So couldn't say enough good. I don't have a single complaint. They helped us through pricing out the game, creative solutions, fulfillment, everything. They were such a great partner in the entire process. So once again, we're Backfire Game Studio. Our game is Snack Time, and it was simply a pleasure to work with Hero Time Manufacturing.